Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix blurred images and videos in Grok AI. First, open the Grok website and make sure you're logged into your account. Then upload the blurred image or video directly into the chat. Once it's uploaded, clearly describe what you want Grok to do. For example, asking it to enhance, sharpen, or unblur the image while keeping everything to a close original as possible. Rock will then process the file and attempt to reconstruct a clearer version with improved detail. In many cases, you can refine the result further by giving follow-up instructions like increasing sharpness or improving clarity in specific areas. This works best when the original image still has visible detail, since AI enhancement depends on existing visual information. If the result still looks unclear, try re-uploading a higher quality version or adjusting your prompt to be more specific about the areas you want to enhance. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.